Troubleshooting common air conditioning contactor problems in under 45 seconds. The contactor is an electrical component that controls the flow of electricity to your AC unit. But, like all electrical components, it can wear out and malfunction over time. If your AC isn't getting power or not turning on, the contactor might be the culprit. First, make sure the unit is turned off and the power is disconnected before inspecting the contactor. Check for signs of wear or damage, such as burning or corrosion on the contacts. If you identify a faulty contactor, it's important to replace it as soon as possible to prevent further damage to your AC unit. Keep your cool with these quick troubleshooting tips for air conditioning contactor problems.